So hello guys, this is my second video. In the previous video we have completed till our lens formation. Now we will see the retina formation. So we know that the prosencephalon is covered by the fibrous layer and vascular layer. As we know, there are three coats or three layers of eyeball. First is fibrous, second is vascular, and third is nervous. Nervous is retina. Here it is not covered with retina. Why? Because from this retina will be formed. Now here I say already prosencephalon is covered by vascular and fibrous layer. So optic stalk and optic cup is also covered, but lens vesicle is not covered. See, because prosencephalon is covered, optic stalk and optic cup is also attached with it, so it is also covered, but lens vesicle is not covered. Now hyaloid vessel, it is important. Hyaloid vessels which is developed from the vascular layer come from choroidal fissure. As we know, what is choroidal fissure? Choroidal fissure is the time or the condition where the lens vesicle is covered by optic curve, firstly from superior and lateral side, then later from inferior side. If you don't know, please see my previous video. Then this provide oxygen, nutrition and blood to the developing embryo. It provides oxygen, blood to the developing embryo, but it is not permanent. It get disappear or transform into retinal blood vessel. It is present until the embryo get developed. Now, as we know, I have already discussed, there are two walls of optic cup, inner wall and outer wall. So the inner wall will form the non-pigmented layer of the retina, and the outer wall will form the pigmented layer. So there are 10 layers of retina, one is pigmented and all other 9 are non-pigmented, so which comes into a one layer. So the inner wall having 3 layers: matrix, mantle and marginal. Again important, matrix, mantle and marginal. Matrix will form the rod and cone layer, mantle will form the bipolar cell layer, and marginal will form the ganglion cell layer. Means the inner wall will form the non-pigmented layer, and the outer wall will form the pigmented layer. The anterior part of the outer wall will form the retinal pigmented layer, retinal pigmented epithelium, and the anterior part will form the iris and choroid, as these are also a pigmented layer. You know about pigment and non-pigment. Pigment means which contain color, and non-pigment means which do not contain color. So the optic stalk develop into optic nerve. Later the optic stalk develop into optic nerve. Optic stalk develop into optic nerve. Optic nerve also contain myelin sheath. It contain axon, cell body. Myelin sheath is present till the lamina fibrosa. Why? Because it reflects the light. If it is present in the eye, it will reflect the light. So I have completed till retina. Later we will discuss the part and the full completed development of the lens. Thank you.